Introducing the Ranger Series shift knobs by Tundra Design, world's first patch-compatible shift knobs. As the name suggests, you can customize it with almost any Ranger eye-size Velcro patch, giving your interior a unique personal touch. And for those who are not patch collectors, you will appreciate the high contrast and model-specific patch included in every shift knob. The Ranger series is CNC machined from aluminum alloy. It has a smooth, micro-texture finish that is stain and fingerprint resistant. The chamfer edges with counterbore screws follow the same design cue as the bezels on my front bumper. These black stainless steel screws are actually the same part used on the bumper. And no, these screws are not just for show. They actually clamp down the Velcro panel. And for this Velcro panel, we use genuine Velcro brand material for the best longevity. But in the rare case you need a replacement, you can easily swap it out. The trim ring can also be swapped out by undoing the same 6 screws, giving you another way of customization. And in addition, you can also choose the mag-grade titanium screws for just a little bit of tasteful contrast. The unique shape of the Ranger series is also not simply for show. These grooves have 3-dimensional curvatures that perfectly cradles your finger. Your hand just naturally falls into place and you'll feel instantly engaged. Unlike basic generic shift knobs, the Ranger series is model specific. Yes, it even directly clips on your factory shift boot and covers the chrome plastic. Another unique feature of my design is the center screw locking mechanism. Simply screw on the shift knob and hold it at your desired height and orientation. Tighten the center screw and it is now locked in place. This mechanism creates high axial pre-tension in the main threads, so it is far more secure than using tiny sideways set screws or plastic threads. You also don't need to take the shift knobs on and off to tweak some jam nuts for alignment. And the best part is, the removal process does not need a tool or special procedure. All in all, the Ranger series is a true blend of form and function. It is compatible with a wide and expanding range of vehicles. If you like what you just saw, visit TundraDesign.com and place your order. I couldn't wait to see how you customize yours.